South Korea's auto exports continue to beat the global market doldrums. The country's outbound shipments of cars last month rose to a new all-time high for the month of April, mainly thanks to the popularity of eco-friendly cars. Soo-jin reports.
South Korean car makers achieved record-high exports in April amid the nation's extended losing streak in overall exports. Data from the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy shows that the value of car exports last month totaled $6.2 billion. That's the highest on record for the month of April. The cumulative value of auto exports from January to April this year was also the highest ever, reaching a whopping $23.2 billion. Around 247,000 cars were exported in April, up more than 25% on year. This was largely driven by robust demand for eco-friendly cars in North America and the EU. Exports to North America surged around 53%, while the figure for the EU was up almost 30% compared to the previous year. The dollar value of total outbound shipments of eco-friendly vehicles surpassed the $2 billion mark for the third consecutive month, coming in at $2.05 billion, rising nearly 56% on year. In terms of units, the number of eco-friendly cars exported jumped around 33% on year to more than 63,000. This comes as domestic eco-friendly commercial vehicles became eligible to receive subsidies under the Inflation Reduction Act with the U.S. Treasury Department's new guidance regarding battery sourcing. Domestic sales of eco-friendly cars were also up in April, increasing more than 13% from a year earlier to nearly 45,000 units. Meanwhile, car production was up by almost 25% to more than 380,000 units on the back of a recovery in the supply chain for related parts, such as automotive chips. The auto and auto parts industry's operating profit jumped nearly 82% on year during the first quarter, with sales in the auto parts sector surging 26%, the largest on-year rise out of all the business sectors. This comes as the IT sector turned red during the same period, posting an operating deficit as the nation continues to grapple with the ongoing decline in the chip sector, the nation's key export area. Soo-jin, Arirang News.